Chapter 5 Patterns. Hello children. Today we are going to learn about patterns. Patterns are created when shapes, numbers, letters, objects, figures are arranged in a particular order and repeat over and over again. We can see the different kinds of patterns in our day-to-day life. Let's see some examples for picture pattern. Here we have a tree, an apple, a leaf. A tree, an apple, a leaf. A tree, an apple, a leaf. Look at this. Here a tree, apple and a leaf is the core part of the pattern. This part repeat again and again to create this pattern. Look at the next example. Here we have a triangle, circle, square. Triangle, circle, square. Triangle, circle, square. Here, triangle, circle, square is the core part of the pattern. This core part repeats again and again to create this pattern. Let's move on to the exercise part. Complete the picture patterns. First question. Red circle, green square, red circle, green square. Here we have to complete these blank spaces to complete this pattern. Look at this. Here red circle and green square is the core part of the pattern. We have to repeat this again and again to complete this pattern. Red circle, green square. Red circle, green square. Next we have to draw red circle, green square, red circle, green square. Next, move on to the second question. Here we have 1 bead, 2 beads, 3 beads, again 1 bead. Next we have to complete these blank spaces. Okay, here the core part of the pattern is 1 bead, 2 beads, 3 beads. So we have to repeat this part again and again to complete this pattern. 1 bead, 2 beads, 3 beads, again 1 bead. So next we have to draw 2 beads. Next 3 beads. Next draw 1 bead and then 2 beads. Move on to the third question. Here we have 2 upsided arrows, 2 downsided arrows. Next 2 upsided arrows and 2 downsided arrows. What we have to draw next?
2 upsided arrows, 2 downsided arrows and then 2 upsided arrows and 2 downsided arrows.
Very good. What is the core part of this pattern?
2 upsided arrows and 2 downsided arrows.
Yes, this is the core part of the pattern. So we have to repeat this again and again to complete this pattern. Look at the fourth question. Here we have a pencil in standing position, pencil in sleeping position. Next, a pencil in standing position, a pencil in sleeping position. What we have to draw here?
A pencil in standing position.
Yes, a pencil in standing position. Next, a pencil in sleeping position. Next, a pencil in standing position and a pencil in sleeping position. Look at the next question. Here we have 2 beads. Next 4 beads and then 6 beads. And we have to complete these 2 blank spaces. Look at this. Here we have 2 beads. Next, we had joined one more pair of beads with this and make it 4. Next, we had joined one more pair of beads with this to make this as 6. So, we have to join one more pair of beads again and again to complete this pattern. So, next draw one more pair of beads with this 6 beads. Here we get 8. Next, draw one more pair of beads with this 8 beads. Here we get 10.